Good morning, everyone. I am Ajish Babu. Welcome back to our video series, Game Development Using Unity. In the previous two videos, we were discussing about different stages of game development. And we have discussed about three main stages of game development. One is the pre-production, then production, then post-production. In the previous videos, we discussed about the pre-production and production. So today's video, we are going to learn about post-production. Okay, what is the post-production stage? So I mentioned that in the pre-production stage, we do the planning mainly. So how we are going to develop that game, what we are going to develop, and what will be our output, and what will be our target audience, and this which platform we are developing the game on. So these things come under pre-production. Then in the production, the actual development happens, where the programmers, designers, and the producers, everyone work together to create the final output. Okay, and after that, this development is done. Then this game is given to testers for testing, and they do the proper testing, and if there is any bugs or crashes happening, then they will send that game back to the developers, and they have to rectify these mistakes, and they have to send it back to the testers. So this doesn't happen in one or two times. It happens for 10 or 20 times. This sending back and forth happens, and the everyone make sure that there is not a single bug in the final output. Okay, and then this is made sure that there is no bugs in that game, and we are ready to release that game. Then the stage of the post-production happens. Okay, so in post-production, mainly there are two main functions that goes on in post-production. One is the marketing, and the second one is the product support. Okay, so what is the marketing? You are all aware of what is marketing. It is not enough nowadays that we create a very good product. Okay, so you may think that your product is useful for the most of the people. They are waiting for that product, and you created that product. Okay, but if nobody knows about your product, then what is the use? Nobody is going to buy that product. So marketing is very important. So it is very important that your product reaches to the maximum audience, and your target audience. Okay, then only your product will be profitable. So you know that whenever we open the TV or any YouTube or any other website or anything, you can see that there are a lot of advertisements are happening. Okay, so this advertisement maybe most of us we don't like that. Okay, so we don't like the all these advertisement coming, and it is a blessing that YouTube has got that skip button. Okay, so most of us we just skip the button and avoid watching that advertisement for the entire advertisement. But people are smart. They just try to convey that message, what they want to convey, that before we can press the skip button. Okay, so these are all the techniques that people use to reach the product to the customers. Okay, so it is very important. So without advertisement, you cannot expect people watch or download your games and play that game. So that is applicable in any field. Okay, so in movies, you know that they spend crores of rupees for the promotion of that their movies. Okay, so in a Hollywood, millions of dollars are spent on just for the promotion of that game. Okay, so or sorry, movie, and the same way the games are promoted. Okay, so if you are developing a triple A kind of games, then the millions of dollars are spent for marketing. Okay, so there it is not like they are spending only for marketing. For development of the game also, they spend millions. Okay, it is now as par with the Hollywood movies that the same budget they use it for the game development. Okay, but that is not a useless expenditure, because this games are $1 billion, video games are $1 billion industry. Okay, so it is similar, same as the Hollywood movies, maybe more than that. They gain the revenue, this gaming industry. So it is worth the effort and money that they spend this much amount for the marketing of that games. Okay, so this is the how important marketing is and how you can do the marketing. Similar, same way the way the Hollywood movies are marketed. We have the game, that game designed conferences are the game conferences or the international gaming conferences. Then we have the press meet. Then you can give the advertisement in the websites or the magazines. So there are a lot of ways in which you can this market the game. So this is all worth it actually. So the how much you time the money you spend for marketing, that is more is the chance of that game reaching to the maximum people. So this marketing is one of the major component of the post production. Okay, so now you have done everything, marketing you did, and you decided on the release date, and you released your game. Okay, so you published your game, and you are confident that your product is 100% that bug free, or it is very user all will like your game and it will be a blockbuster game. So expecting that only everyone, all the companies release their games. Okay, they have any product that they release, expecting that this is the best product that has yet come to the market. Okay, but in the real life, nothing is that goes. Everything is not doesn't go as we expect. Okay, so after the game reach the audience, real audience, then they will find a lot of there will be a lot of functionalities which they don't like. They like. Okay, and there will be there could be crashes sometimes, and there will be bugs which the developers or the testers could not find, that these common people will find out. Okay, so that is the how smart people are. So that is what will happen after that. Again, they will bombard your website or your company with all these issues and the feedback that my game is crashing, and there is a lot of bugs there. I cannot finish the second level or third level. It is too difficult. There are lot of issues that can come after the game get released. So it is quite possible because as a tester or as a developer, you are professionals. Okay, so you are working in a company that you are professionals and you know how to play the game, or you know how to play the game without bugs. If you are a developer, then uh, these things happen. But the common people, they don't care about that, they don't understand that, so they play it as the way they want. They will find the very innovative ways to play the game. So there could be errors which the production team didn't anticipate. Okay, these things happen. It is very normal. So what happens is that they after getting all these feedback, okay, so maybe they will wait for some 2 weeks or 3 weeks to get all the feedback. Okay, so get all the feedback where the users are finding issues with the game. Everything is properly studied. After that, they will again go to the production. Okay, so to uh, remove these bugs and issues. After that, so then again the testing will be done, and make sure that all these feedbacks are incorporated into that particular game. Then again after that, these games are released again. Okay, so that is the then they play again, and if they find users find that there are still areas it could be improved, then again the same process happens. Okay, but these things are quite natural. That is why you take any software, okay, any game engine, Unity, Unreal, etc. Then you can see that they are releasing the different versions, once in 2 weeks or once in a month. Okay, because in the earlier latest version there could be some bugs. Okay, people are users are finding some issues in using some of the functionalities. So they send that feedback to the this client, or sorry, that the engine developers, and they make these solve these issues and release the next version. Okay, so that is how all the softwares happen. I remember that when I first started using Unity, so I think some 15 years back. So at that time, Unity was very upcoming. It was a new software. Okay, but it was a very good software. Found it a very good software, but there were lot of limitations were there. But now you see the Unity 6, it has improved 100 times. So it is because take the feedback from the users, and they make sure that they are rectified in their next release. So that is why now Unity has reached in that position which they are right now. Okay, so that is every company has to do that, and this is the same with the games as well. Okay, games also, we have to get the feedback from the users, and we have to rectify that and try to create a better product and release it again. So we cannot say that after releasing that game, my work is over. Now I will not touch that product, and I will move on to the next product. You cannot say that nobody can say that. So if you do like that, then your company will not last long. Okay, because the customers are the king. So okay, they are the they can give any feedback. Okay, so that is their right to do so. So this is if you want to grow as a company, then whatever the feedback you get from the users, and you have to rectify that if those feedbacks are genuine, of course. That is you have to do. Then only you will improve the quality of your game, and your game will be a success. And if you consider all these feedback or the considerations of the user, then your next product also will be a success. The users will wait for that your game, and they know that they can trust the brand or trust the trust your company, and they will buy that product, and they are confident that if there any issue comes, then you are there to rectify that. You will not just ignore their feedback. Okay, so that is very important. So that is the two main departments of the post production. So I hope you understood how the difference between the pre-production, production, and post-production. So these three stages are very important for the game development. So if you cannot ignore any of these three stages, okay, so these three stages are all very important. So if you take the maximum care of each and every stage of these game developments, then it is you can be sure that you will get a very good final product, and your users will appreciate the game and the effort you did as a product owner. Okay. So that's all for the main stages of the game development, or the production or the development of a game. In the coming videos, we will see some of the roles in a gaming company. Okay, so which are the different types of departments, or or roles that people assume in a gaming company, that we will discuss in the coming videos. So I hope you understood what the different stages, and if you have any queries, or you want to know more about any of these topics which we covered, then you can note it down in the comment section. Then I will try my best to solve those issues. Okay. Thank you again, and please subscribe and share these videos to your friends, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.